Lobster.
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 Lobster. Welcome to Aerostar Live. Hi guys, welcome back to Blind Bag Part 2. If you haven't seen Part 1, go and see Part 1. And here's my brother Angel.
And it's Angel! Angel's dirty socks!
And me!
And Angel's cutie face! Alright, we're back for part 2 of our blind bag mystery box. Let's see what's inside. And Arielle gets to go first. And we're just gonna get this thing going. Arielle got a Lego Batman. Alright. What about it? Another Lego Batman. How about let's pull out 2 today?
Oh, okay.
Let's do a blind bag short film. Let's pull out 1 more. No peeking.
Yay.
Ooh, what'd you get?
A Monster High one?
A Monster High
Monster
Mini.
High.
And Angel got a Monster High. Hold on. I got a deal for you guys. Do you guys want to keep what you got? Or do you want to switch?
I want to switch.
You want to switch a Lego for a Mini?
I want this.
You want a Lego Mini, Arielle?
How to switch Batman.
Okay, Arielle doesn't want to switch,
No,
so...
Batman. Let's switch Batman.
Well, let's see what we get first. Alright, let's get some of these open. Hi, Elsa.
I hope.
Alright, I think we need the scissors. Whoa, Angel's gonna eat it. Angel's gonna eat it.
I want the scissors. Can I have the scissors? I need the scissors.
Okay, Arielle first with the scissors.
I'm a big boy. Let's see what I got.
Whoa, pieces are flying everywhere.
Lego Batman.
You got a Lego Batman?
Yeah.
Super cool.
This is like a...
Is it Lego Batman or what character is it?
No, it's not Lego Batman.
Who'd you get?
Someone, this guy. No fair!
Who'd you get, Angel?
Keep that one. It's a girl one.
You got a girl one? It's okay. Let's put them together and maybe we can switch. So, of course, we do not have names, but there she is. Anybody know the name? Leave a comment down below.
Can you open this, Daddy? Can you like switch it? Because I accidentally did
Uh-oh, Arielle got it. Arielle got it stuck. There it is. Cool, look.
Hello guys, what's your name, dude?
Okay. Why,
Whoa!
Okay, good.
What is this, a toilet?
No.
Oh, I thought it was a toilet. It's not a toilet, guys?
Backwards.
She is. Holy moly.
She's backwards, Jersey.
Let's see, Arielle, what's going on? What is that? Oh, I think you gotta... So this is how this goes. You have to pull off the head. You have to pull his head off. And you... I think you put this on.
He comes with little...
And then you put this guy on. And the helmet on. See? And here... Here's what we got. See what Angel got right here? And Angel got...
A girl!
this guy!
Her feet the wrong way. They're the wrong way. But it's okay. We'll fix it tomorrow.
Alright, Arielle, let's see what you got over here.
Yep.
Alright, Monster High Minis, let's do it.
Here, I'll help you. Scissors? Gotcha. Let me see Lego Minis. I don't know their names. Daddy's reviewing Lego Minis over here to see what their names is. Number 18. Oh, there's a girl Batman with feathers and stuff. Sorry, I'm off track. Okay, Monster High Mini! Are these tough? Are these a little tough to open? Come on, oh, Angel, be careful. Careful, buddy. Let me help you out. This is really hard to open. That's why it's a hidden little blind. That's why it's a hidden blind bag. hidden little blind bag. Hidden. Oh, who'd you get, Angel? Oh, cool. Here, Angel. Here, let me give you a little cut, Arielle. Here. Let me give you a little cut. Yeah, you gotta save those and we can stack them together.
Okay, so today we got... Let me see what they look like. Oh, who is she? She green? She's a green ghoul. Whoa. Oh, this is from today? Arielle has found her. She is a beach ghoul right here. That's who we're thinking she is. If we are wrong, leave a comment down below. Did you find your other one?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we have 3 for our collection. Let me see, guys.
It does, guys. That's awesome.
Awesome. I think we got 2 power girls. Power ghouls.
Only one power ghoul. We got a space ghoul,
Space ghoul is the other one.
power ghoul, and a beach ghoul.
We have a lot to collect, don't we?
Yep. I'll see you guys in the part 3 video.
We'll see you guys
I
in
love
part
this
3.
little- She's so cool.
Do you know her name?
No, but
Somebody leave a comment and let us know her name.
Yeah. Bye.
We never know names of nobody.
Look at you guys.
Yeah. We know names of old
well,
characters.
when we go see the movie, we'll know.
Yes, we
Bye,
will.
guys.
See you later,
next
guys.
time.
Make sure you like, hit that subscribe, and watch our videos.
The only one I know is this one.
Who is she?
Shrimp Batman.
Why are you coming?
Who?
Come on. Shrimp Batman.
Oh, I don't even know him.
It's a lobster. He's doing a nice dinner. He's doing a lobster.
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 Lobster. Lobster.
Very good, you got it.
Oh, I found
You gotta know how to order that, girl. It's lobster.
jail.
Yeah, it's not lobster. Uh-oh. Mommy turned off the lights on us. What? We were like, who turned off the lights?
I actually knew. It was Mommy.
Yeah, it was. Alright, guys. Well, hope you like our short blind bag video.
Yeah.
Make sure you like and subscribe.
Yes.
Arielle loves to make these videos, so we could use your big thumbs up
Yes. And subscribe.
and subscribe.
So we can get a golden play button.
And what? Oh, Arielle's on the hunt for the golden play button. That is her dream, huh, Arielle?
Yeah.
Yeah, well, would you be so happy if we can get a golden button?
Once I had a dream that we're in Christmas, so I'm like, one of these presents are my golden play button.
One of
And
them.
then I opened it and I thought it was real.
Well, maybe by next Christmas, let's see, it's February. So maybe by next
March,
Christmas,
April,
we
May.
can at least get a silver play button. What do you think?
Yeah, sure.
We gotta get a silver
but
before
I
we get
just
the gold.
want
A play button.
a play button.
That'd be super awesome.
I never want to stop.
Alright, guys.
I never want to stop doing these videos.
I know, they're super cool, huh? Because you get all kinds of super cool toys and do all kinds of super fun things.
Yeah, I'm never going to stop.
Awesome.
When I'm a teenager,
Teenager?
I'm never going to
What
stop.
about when you're abuelo or abuela?
I'm never going to stop.
Never stop when you're grandma, grandpa, you're still gonna be doing toy reviews?
Maybe.
That is awesome, but we need your help. Like and subscribe, follow our channel,
Yes.
please.
Please.
Alright guys, see you later. Deuces.
This is Mika's house. And, let's make this view a million.
Let's get 1,000,000 views.
A million.
See you later guys.
Bye.
Dap out.